This is how you find your Waggle integration with your Into Math unit that you're currently working on. So when you end up on your dashboard, you will go to Discover. Then you will select the module that you're in. And then when you get to the module, you'll go to View Resources. In View Resources, you're going to choose Component, and it will give you a drop-down menu. Go ahead and find Assignable Waggle Activities. One thing that you may have on yours is it may be anywhere in this list. So just go ahead and search, click Assignable, and then Apply. And then as you can see, it says there's a Waggle activity available for 11.2 and 11.5. If you would like to see what they look like, you can come over here to the snowman and you can open it to view. You can just assign it from here or you can add it to your lesson. So I'm going to open it to view and it will show you that you have a learn and a skill quiz. And then if I do this drop down arrow too for the 11.5, I have a learn, a practice, and a skill quiz. So you can decide to assign them all, assign just a few of them. But if you would like to see what it looks like in the learn, go ahead and click the I, and then you can come to the preview. And so you'll be able to see all the practice that is there. If you want to go back, you can, since it opened it up in a new thing, you can just go back to this place. And you can just assign it from here. So that is how you find your Waggle integrated activities for the modules and the lessons that you are working on. There is one other element that you can also use. So I'm going to go back to Dashboard, and those are Poggle. So if you want to find Poggle, go into Discover, and then it says Search Program. And just in this, you're going to type in the word Poggle. These are great for the opportunity for review and to have the students practice. One of the things that you must consider when you are assigning a Poggle, and you will do it the exact same way, open, assign, add to your lessons, and they can get to their end. But if they log out of a Poggle, it doesn't save the information. It's just that nice fluency practice for many of the things, or it is a spiral review where you can prepare students for future testing. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thank you.